Hey guys, this is Joe at Columbus Botanical Depot. I wanted to give you guys a breakdown of the endocannabinoid system, or ECS for short. All mammals have an endocannabinoid system, which is a bunch of receptors spread throughout the entire body. What we have are CB1, cannabis 1 receptor, and CB2 receptors. CB1 is primarily found in the brain and central nervous system. CB2 receptors are found throughout the entire body. They're more of an immunological receptor. The way I like to look at it is CB1 is neck up, CB2 receptors are neck down. So if you have a neurological issue, anxiety, stress, sleep, we would suggest a tincture that goes under the tongue that goes right into the brain to affect the CB1 receptor. If you have more of an immune system issue or any type of inflammation, body aches and pains, we recommend something that goes down through the digestive tract to activate that CB2 receptor. You're going to have an immunological response in that regard. Now, the human body has many systems that all do independently different things, but what keeps them all in communication with each other is the endocannabinoid system. It's kind of like the Wi-Fi router of the house. It keeps everything in communication with each other. So then when you look at cannabis as a plant, it has many, many compounds. There's actually 200 different cannabinoids that we know of today. THC and CBD are what they call the major cannabinoids. All the others are minor cannabinoids. Now, when they're all together, that's called the entourage effect. Imagine a symphony or an orchestra all playing together, and they all boost each other to create a harmonious balance. Then you've got what they call terpenes or terpenoids, which are the essential oils of cannabis, which I like to call these guys the Uber drivers that drive the cannabinoids to the right receptors to achieve different results. So if you're looking for like a couch lock, indica, you're going to find myrcene in those varieties. If you're looking for a sativa or an uplifting, you're going to find a lot of limonene in those varieties as well. And so when you combine all these things together, you're going to have a true entourage effect, and that's what we call full spectrum or broad spectrum products versus isolate. Isolate is like taking the violinist out of the entire orchestra. Yes, it's not going to be as powerful, but it can still affect the endocannabinoid system. But what we really like to see is a broad spectrum or a full spectrum. That's going to trigger the endocannabinoid system to have a much more prolific effect on the body.